Snow milk.
I think about like what our purpose is, what my purpose is, what your purpose is.
Yeah.
Because I also feel, tell me how you feel about this. All right, tell me how you feel about this concept. You're on a beach, right?
Okay.
Okay, we're on a beach. Could be any beach. Yeah, I'll choose Coney Island because it's the beach I know. It's a
Okay.
little,
I went right to a white Bali.
okay, that's better.
Okay.
Doesn't have any glass jars and stuff. But I just think about this in life, just as my own perspective, right? And I'm gonna connect it to this next thought too, and you tell me how you feel about this. But like, all of us human beings are on this, we are all pieces of sand, small granules of sand on the vast beach of life. When you zoom out, it's like, it matters not, it doesn't matter at all. You can't even see us. Do you know what I mean? And so I just feel that, like, in the history of time, I feel that like Michael Jackson, Michael Jordan, everybody will be forgotten 5, 20, 30,000 years, 40,000 years from now. People will have different people. We'll have, who was the fastest man of 30,000 years ago? Who was the best looking girl of 75,000? Human beings were here. We were still on earth doing our thing. But you know, that mattered then. It has no matter. But I feel like,
I was going to say Eartha Kitt, but go ahead.
but I feel like these conversations,
Yeah.
like in the grand,
Continue.
yeah, like the reverberation.
I love that, we're grains of sand upon the beach of life. We all are grains of sand. And we try to make our grain more important than the next grain. But you need the grains in order to make the beach.
True.
To get to work together.
True.
Oh, you have a beach.
Word.
Yeah.
I feel you, man. I talk a lot. I don't know if you know that. I'm like
Good.
I go on like tangents. I'm like a tangent type person.
Mm-hmm.
But let me not just keep saying things to you.
Go.
Like, is there anything that you want to talk about, like that you feel that you would like to put in the consciousness of our third dimension realms? When people hold it in their hands, they're like, oh shit, Ben said that. I'm not putting you on the spot.
How much time do you have? No. I think we're saying it. It comes out. There's nothing I say, oh, I'm like sure they hear this. No, I just go with the flow. You get on a certain frequency and you let that frequency have its way out of the way you get static. So we're just on the flow right now. And it's rolling along very lovely.
Word.
So, whatever's going to come is going to come. I don't do things that make me say this, lay down history. No, that's not.
Okay. I'm just giving you the opportunity at least.
Well, thank you very much.
If there's anything that you're like, I got to say this
my
one thing.
Moment, my Douglas Frederick the moment.
Word.
My Gandhi moment.
Word.
Martin Luther King moment now, We've been to the mountaintop.
Word.
And we go higher. My thing is this, and I hope you get this. As far as religions are concerned, I'm not against them. Why? Because you're having conversation.
Right.
What I'm against is the dogma.
Right.
The manipulativeness. What I'm saying is get to a church, get to a religion, get to some higher frequency, and get on that path. Because there are many trails to the top of the mountain. There's only one mountaintop. I'll meet you at the mountaintop.
Word.
Get on a path. They're all good. All good. All good. It's up to you how you use it. Makes it good or bad. If you know the good, stick with the good. If you know the bad, you're going to be bad. And those of us who are good are going to have to do what we have to do in order to suppress that and try to awaken you to the goodness within you.
Right.
And how much life do you want? Someone said many years ago, 1,000 years ago, someone said, I give you life more abundantly if you but seek my face. Seek ye the kingdom of heaven. Where's the kingdom of heaven? Someone said, within you. It's not out in the sky, some white guy with a beard, judging everybody that comes through the gates. No. It's within you. It's within you. It's the very cells which breathe you every day. It's the breath that we take in. And we all breathe in the same breath. Breath has no color. It has no agenda. It has no politics. Breath is breath.
Deep, bro.
Yeah.
I didn't put that on the clothing, man.
Okay.
Breath is breath.
Breath is breath.
Put that on there.